Hello, my dear students and all my viewers. Today, I have brought the analysis of the syllabus of English because there is a big change in the syllabus which has come over in each and every subject. So, I am going to analyze my subject English for class 12th, session 2020-21. I am sure that this will help you a lot. So, let's start. These images have been taken from the original CBSE site. So you yourselves can go and watch and you can see and you can understand that how the changes have been made. So let's begin. Reading comprehension. Reading paragraphs, there will be two paragraphs and both will have equal weightage 10 marks. But this time note making paragraph and summarizing is actually deleted. I will explain in a detailed manner in the upcoming part. Okay, this is actually comprising 25% because the question paper will be of 80 marks. Now next move to the next section, that is writing section and literature. So writing section has lost its 14 marks. Earlier it was of 30 marks, but this time you can see only 16 marks. 20% weightage has been given to it. What all things have been deleted you will learn in detail. Now literature part. Literature part has been given maximum weightage. You can see 44 marks weightage has been given, that is 55% of the total. The question paper is of 80 marks, I have already told you, as ASL is also there for 20 marks, assessment of listening and speaking, as you are already acquainted. So along with that 80 plus 20, total 100 marks are there. So this is completely a literature based question paper, means the weightage has been given to literature section. So this time there are only two books, as you know, Vistas and Flamingo. So you have to be very much attentive in these two textbooks. Let's learn more about reading comprehension. 20 marks, as I have already told you that multiple choice questions would be there and one unseen passage to assess comprehension, interpretation and inference. Vocabulary and inference of meaning will also be assessed, and the passage may be factual, descriptive, or literary. 10 out of 11 questions to be done. So the another paragraph will be also almost same, as it may be a newspaper report or statistical data or something. And 10 out of 11 questions you have to do, and it will be also of 10 marks. So total reading section is of 20 marks. Remember that. Earlier also it was of 20 marks, but earlier note making and summarizing were there. But now these two are deleted. Again, I am telling you, it has become very easy for the students. Let's go for the detail. Now, literature part. After reading, writing has to come, but here they have mentioned literature before because there is something extra they have added to. Multiple choice questions on two prose extracts. Remember, not poetry here first. Two prose extracts means from the chapters. One each from the book Flamingo and Vistas to assess comprehension and appreciation. Refer to the line of answer question based on the given extract. Any two of the three extracts you have to do. Next, from the poetry section, because poetry is only in Flamingo book, so there will be two extracts and any one you have to go for. So it will be of 4 marks. Remember that. Another new thing they have added, this is the short questions. That is 8 out of 10 questions you have to attempt. Means there will be 10 questions and you have to go for any 8 questions. And it will be from book Flamingo and Vistas both. Short questions will be there. It will be of 8 marks. So you can see so many changes have been made. Earlier it was not that much complicated, but yes, you have to pay more attention to literature part. Now comes writing section. The least value or weightage has been given to writing section, but still you cannot ignore it. So short writing task will be there. It will be either notice or advertisement. Remember, notice either advertisement up to 50 words. One out of the two given question to be answered. So it will be of total 3 marks. Remember earlier it was of 4 marks and there were many other things. But this time they have deleted poster. So next part will be another short writing task, that will be formal or informal invitation. Remember invitation was earlier the part of notice and advertisement along with poster and invitation. But now invitation, that may be a formal invitation or informal invitation, or related to reply, it will be, and one out of the two given questions to be answered. Means invitation is a must. It will be there and you have to go for any one out of two. And it will also carry the same weightage, that is 3 marks. Next comes letter. Letter based on verbal, visual, to be answered in approximately 120 to 150 words. And letter types will be job application, letters to the editor, and anything related issue of public interest. And one out of the two given questions to be answered, means there will be two and you have to go for any one, that will be of 5 marks. Earlier it was of 6 marks. So now the change is there, and now article or either report writing, descriptive and analytical in nature based off verbal inputs to be answered in 120 to 150 words, and it will be of 5 marks. Next comes literature section. You can see 24 marks are written, but don't get confused. 24 and already I have discussed 20 marks. So total literature part will be of 44 marks. Five short answer type questions will be there out of 6. You have to go for any 5. And it will be from the book Flamingo. It can be either prose or poetry. And it will be of 2 marks each. So 5 multiplied 2, it will be of 10 marks. Next comes 2 short answer type questions. Out of 3 questions, you have to attempt any 2. And it will be from the book Vistas. Remember, it will be also of 2 marks each. So total weightage from this part will be of 4. And then one long answer type question. Remember, this will be from the book Flamingo. And the word limit will be 120 to 150 words. Out of 2 questions, you have to attempt any one. And it will not be of 8 marks. Earlier it was of 8 marks. Now it will be of only 5 marks. Next, one long answer type question will be there. The same way, it will be from the book Vistas, and you have to go for any one, and it will also be of 5 marks. So please watch this part again and again so that it will be completely clear in your mind. Now, the 2 prescribed books, Flamingo and Vistas. Earlier the novel was there, but now it has been deleted. Last year only it was deleted, so this year it is not added. Already the syllabus has been made very short, and note making and summarizing is deleted. Remember, deleted topics I am starting with. Reading part, no note making, no summarizing. Let's come to the conclusion. Students will be getting the benefit because note making and summarizing have been deleted, and same weightage. Yes, earlier note making paragraph was of 8 marks, and now 2 paragraphs will be of 10 marks each, but reading will be of 20 marks. Now writing section, you can see which all things are there. Notice, advertisement, invitation, formal letter only editor and job application. Official and business letters are not there. And article and report writing, which all things are deleted, you can see in red. Poster, official letter, business letter, debate and speech. See, debate and speech both have been deleted. So big change has been made in writing section. Earlier it was of 30 marks. Now it's of only 16 marks. So poster, official letter, and these things which I have already mentioned, they are deleted. So you don't need to worry too much about writing section, because students mainly they lose their marks in writing section. But now it has been made so easy. Now the most important section, that is literature section, you can see it has been given the maximum weightage. Earlier it was of 30 marks, but now it has been made 44 marks. The most important part, these 2 books. So the deleted chapters are remember to note down: Poets and Pancakes, The Interview, Going Places, and in the poetry section, A Roadside Stand. And in the book Footprints Without Feet, The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, and Memories of Childhood. These chapters have been deleted. So you can understand the literature part has been made very, very easy. It's now easier than previously. So the final conclusion, that after deletion of 7 chapters which are not interconnected, the literature portion will be quite easier, as students will be able to focus on less number of chapters. Although the weightage has been increased, earlier the literature part was of 30 marks, I have told you, now it's of 44 marks. The entire change is in syllabus and marking scheme is going to be beneficial for the students, because in this crisis time, the pandemic time, we are left with no other option. So government has taken a big decision over the syllabus of all the classes, and specifically from 9 to 12. So hopefully I have made everything clear to you, and I have given the proper analysis of the changes that has to come in this coming session 2020-21. In case of any doubt, you can directly contact me, and in fact you can write in the comment box. And please subscribe to my channel, because I will bring the explanation of all the chapters from classes 10 to 12. So it will be completely free for all the students. Just you need to subscribe and start watching keenly. I am going to bring the easiest explanation of each and every chapter. Thank you so much.